Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aisha, and my name is Aisha, and I'm 20 years old, but my English is not so good.
I say Sarak. Are you German or Arab?
Turkey.
Turkish.
Yes.
So when did you accept Ahmadiyyat?
Wann haben Sie Ahmadiyyat angenommen?
2 months ago.
2 months ago. Why? Why have you put yourself in trouble? Your family is Muslim, and they will not. You see, they will not be happy on this action. They will put you in trouble. You will have to face hard time.
Yes, her parents are not in favor of it, but as she didn't feel to belong there, so therefore she she has come to the Jamaat.
Their parents are not happy.
Ihre Eltern?
No.
No. So, are you married?
No.
No. Acha. So, then you will have to face hard time. Are you ready for this?
Würde ich alles machen.
She says for this beautiful path she is ready to do anything.
Okay. So, next.